Hi, I'm Glenn Stockton, managing attorney at Stockton and Camp. As we wrap up 2025, I want to take just a few minutes to talk about something that's easy to overlook, but it can make a real difference before year end, and that's your tax strategy. Every December, I see it happen. People spend countless hours planning for the holidays, but they spend little to no time thinking about tax planning. And by January 1st, the opportunities to plan for 2025 are gone. At Stockton and Kent, we use two lenses to look at taxes. The first is the microscope, the second is the telescope. The microscope focuses on what we can still do this year in 2025 to lower your taxes, right? To lower your taxable income. We can look at things such as qualified charitable distribution rules, maxing out contributions to IRAs and 401ks and health savings accounts, HSAs. Things like that that are microscope view strategies to help lower our taxes in the current year. And there's still time to get it out. But December 31st is coming quickly. So while there's still time, there's not a lot of it. So we need to be moving with this. The telescope view, which we can do some telescope view, some long range planning in 2025 as well. And the telescope says, what can we do this year to reduce taxes in the long run? There, we may look at doing Roth conversions while tax rates are still low, realizing capital gains and losses strategically, again, while we're in this low tax environment. Lots of different strategies we can use for long range tax planning. But as I said a minute ago, the truth is, while it's not too late, it's almost too late. December 31st is not just another date on the calendar. It is the finish line for many of this year's best tax saving strategies. So while we can't control what Congress does, we can't control what the market does, we can take control of our taxes. If you're not sure where to start, send our office a quick email. We'll help you determine whether a deeper review might be needed or there's some things you might need to look at. We still have a few spots remaining for this year. Our calendars are booking up, but we have a few spots. If email us and we may say, hey, let's get in here and let's connect before we get to the end of the year so we have time to do some tax planning strategies. Either way, now is the time to take action so you can finish strong for 2025. Again, I'm Glenn Stockton. Thank you for listening, and I hope you find the articles we have in this month's newsletter helpful as we look at how we wrap up 2025. And remember, next month for our December newsletter, we're going to turn the focus to start looking at what can we do for 2026 and beyond. Thank you.